Hi everybody, today we'll look together on how to connect PostHog to aicuflow. As usual, let's jump directly into my flows. I prepare one called PostHog. I jump into the data integrations. Here I select integration and I search for PostHog. Here I have all of my details. I'll call it, for instance, my PostHog. And we'll see each other into the PostHog settings. In PostHog, I go into the settings page and look for API. Here I find the personal API keys. As we can see, I don't have any as of right now, so I'll decide to create a new one. So I'll create a new API key. I have different scopes in this API key and I give a read permission to all of them. I'll call this key aicuflow and I give to this key all access. Once the key is created, I will just jump back into aicuflow and paste the key. And look also for the project ID and enable the EU cloud and I create the connection. It has been created and is valid. Here, if I jump back into the data management folder, I can see that all the different CSV files referring to PostHog have been imported and I'm able to analyze them. Thanks for watching. We'll see each other in the next video. And don't forget to follow us on our social medias and to check out our documentation page.